Hello guys, today I'll be doing a review on Arch Linux. I'll be going through its strengths and weaknesses and what's then to know whether or not this is ideal for you. So Arch Linux is a minimalist rolling release Linux distribution that provides the absolute latest software directly from upstream sources. It adheres to the KISS philosophy, meaning it aims for an absence of unnecessary additions. Users start with a bare bones command line system and build their desktop environments and software stack exactly as they desire. Arc is highly valued for its unparalleled documentation and the vast Arch user repository, a community-driven collection of software packages. However, there is a very steep learning curve, making it unsuitable for beginners. The installation process is entirely manual, done via the command line, and requires users to configure almost every component themselves. While it's a rolling release, which means it is always updated, this can occasionally lead to breakages or require manual intervention during updates, demanding user knowledge to troubleshoot. There's also no default graphical interface or pre-installed software, requiring significant time and effort for the initial setup and ongoing maintenance. Hence, Arch Linux is ideally suited for experienced Linux users, developers, and enthusiasts who desire total control over their system and always want the latest software. It's essentially a build-it-yourself distro that provides an exceptional learning opportunity, allowing users to deeply understand how Linux works. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.